If you are new here, my name is Sequita. I am the creator behind Sequita's Custom Creations. If you're new, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I am coming to do an unboxing. How about unpackaging? So I ordered a mystery bag from AJ Blanks. And I've just been waiting to open it with you guys. I've been so busy, so busy. But I'm excited to see what's in here. It's a mystery bag. I think it's like $40. And you don't know what you're gonna get. So let me lower you down so that you can see my desk, and we'll figure out, or maybe this is a good position. We'll figure out what's in here. So here we go. I know I haven't uploaded much. I'm always recording, however, the editing process takes so much time that I have so many videos that have not been edited that I still plan to post at some point. It is my granddaughter's birthday this weekend, so I have so much to do. We're gonna take a drive to California for a couple days. It is Veterans Day weekend, and we're gonna go to Knott's Berry Farm for her birthday. So, all right, I'm moving this stuff over. The first thing in here is a long sleeve, 12-month-old unisex shirt. If you've never tried AJ Blanks, they are great. The prices are reasonable, but the quality is superb, especially for embroidery. And that's what I tend to do with her shirt. So that, like I said, 12-month long sleeve white. Oh, I was gonna let you see that it really is. Oh, how nice. So that's that one. And I'll just put it off to the side. Then next we have a 12-month long sleeve girls black t-shirt. So it's going to be the same as that white one, I'm sure. It's a girls and it's black. I think I might put like some kind of Christmas design on there. That'll be nice. Next, we have a girls long sleeve 8. So girls, the G, long sleeve, size 8. So they go from infants up to size 14. So that'll be nice as well. Valentine's Day. Another girls long sleeve, size 12. So it's all long sleeves, I guess. Long sleeve girl, size 14. So a variety of sizes. Another 14 in long sleeve, black. Long sleeve 10. So these are the unisex ones. They could be boys or girls. And what is the difference between the boys and girls? Let's see. Or the unisex and the girls. What makes this a girl shirt? Oh, probably the puffy sleeves. See that? That's the girls. And I have one up there. And for the unisex one, the sleeves are just straight sleeves. So it could be boy, girl. All right, so that's that. Wow. A long sleeve girls in a 14. So a lot of bigger sizes, which is surprising. And another long sleeve, 10 unisex. See, if it's girls, it'll have that G on it. And if it's unisex, it just won't say anything. And a long sleeve 10 in black. Oh. A long sleeve 10 in red. And another long sleeve in white. So, that was quite a bit of stuff in there. Like I said, it was less than $40. I think $38. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shirts for less than $40. Embroidery quality, not, you know, a thin t-shirt. These really hold up to all the stitching for embroidery. So I think that was a great deal. I would do it again. Well, thanks for watching. If you found this video to be informing in any way, maybe you're gonna go to AJ Blanks and purchase one of the mystery bags, please do me a favor, like, comment, share, and subscribe this video or any of the above. And thank you for watching. It helps me increase my ratings on YouTube. I am on a quest to reach 100 subscribers. I think I'm like at 74 right now. So please share my video so other people can subscribe. I'm gonna do better about posting on a regular schedule and bringing information that you might wanna see. So if there's something you'd like to see me do, please leave it in the comments below. I'm looking for video ideas all the time, and I promise I'm going to upload again very soon, maybe today. Thanks, bye. Thanks for watching.